If you've made a payment on Binance and need to request a refund, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the Binance website or app. Ensure you have the necessary information regarding the transaction you want to refund. Step 2. Navigate to the support center. Once logged in, locate the support or help section. This is usually found at the bottom of the homepage or in the app menu. Click on it to access various support options. Step 3. Submit a refund request. In the support section, look for the option to submit a request or ticket. Choose the relevant category for your refund request and provide all necessary details, including transaction ID, amount, and reason for the refund. Step 4. Provide additional information. If prompted, upload any supporting documents or screenshots that may help your case. This could include payment confirmations or correspondence related to the transaction. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, monitor your email or the support ticket system for updates. Binance's support team will review your request and respond with further instructions or confirmation of the refund. In conclusion, following these steps will help you navigate the refund process on Binance. Be patient as you wait for a response and ensure you keep all relevant information handy for a smoother experience.